You and your friend are building an app. You edit the homepage, they edit the homepage. You both hit save, and boom, your files overwrite each other and half the code is permanently gone. Imagine if you could both build features in your own isolated safe zones and then seamlessly merge your work together at the end. That is exactly what Git branches do. A branch is a parallel universe for your code. Your stable project lives on a branch called main. It is sacred. You do not break main. When you want to add something new, you create a branch. You type git branch new feature. This creates an exact clone of your code. You are now in a sandbox. You can delete files, write terrible code as you do, and break everything. Your main branch remains perfectly intact. It doesn't even know your new branch exists. Okay, so you've created a parallel universe. But how do you actually enter it? To enter this branch, you write git checkout new feature in the terminal. If terminal commands stress you out, don't panic. I'll tell you about a way to do this without the terminal later in the video. When you switch branches, the actual files on your hard drive change instantly to match that universe. Okay, you just finished working on the new feature. It works. The app isn't crashing. Now what? You bring those changes back into your main project by merging. First, you jump back to your stable code by typing git checkout main. Then you absorb the parallel universe by typing git merge new feature. Your new feature is now permanently part of the stable code. If two people edited the exact same line of code on different branches, Git pauses the merge. This is called a merge conflict. It looks scary because Git literally injects both versions of the code into your file and highlights them, but don't panic. Git is just asking you to pick the version you want to keep and delete the other. Nothing to be scared of. When your feature is done, you share it with your friend by pushing your code to the internet. You type Git Push. But what if your friend finishes their feature first and pushes it up to the main project? Now your sandbox is outdated. To get their code into your branch, you need to pull it down. First, jump to main and pull the latest code. You type git checkout main and then git pull. Then go back to your branch and absorb main. You type git checkout new feature and then git merge main. Boom! You now have your friend's code inside your sandbox and you can keep working safely. There's actually a lot more you can do with branches, like Git Rebase to cleanly rewrite your history, or Git Cherry Pick to steal specific commits from other branches. But if you know how to branch and merge, you already know enough to be dangerous. Remember when I said you didn't have to use the terminal? You can use a visual app like Github Desktop. It gives you a clean interface with buttons to create branches and merge code, no typing required. Let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial on it. Leave a like, subscribe,